ventricles are clear, and the basal nuclei are the brown spots.
Okay.
Okay, so that's only
The meninges. Oh no.
so you smell?
That's cerebellum? No. Diet.
Okay, the
Dicephalon.
the third and the fourth ventricles. Vehicle?
Yeah, no, it was on the brain, aquí. He said, the fourth, ¿te acuerdas?
Oh yeah, the third is in the middle brain, and the fourth is in the aqueduct. Right? So this is the fourth, and this is the aqueduct. What's inside?
Oh, we need to know that too?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
aqueduct
yeah.
of vein. And then the choroid plexus, they.
Oh, you can also see the aqueduct here. Maya me dijo. The aqueduct. Cut in half. She said the aqueduct was that right there. That canal. That was the aqueduct.
This right here?
See, the canal right there.
Oh, okay, yeah, this canal right here. Okay. And then the choroid plexus, they said that they were these right
The
here.
blue,
These
yeah.
right here, right? These are the choroid plexus. Okay. And also, that's it, right? For the ventricles. And then the meninges, if we do it on these, that the meninges, the best way to see it is that this is the dura mater, this first layer right here, the dura mater.
Okay.
Okay? The brown lining right
In the
here
middle.
is the subdural space,
Okay.
right? Okay. And then the white right here, this third one,
third
is
layer.
the arachnoid. The third arachnoid. This whole space right here is the arachnoid space. The subarachnoid space.
Subarachnoid.
Space, And then this lining right here would be considered as the pia mater. So it's the dura mater, subdural space is brown, arachnoid, this third layer right here, the subarachnoid space, the space that's in between, and the pia mater, which is this one.
So where's the subdural space?
Right here, the brown one.
Oh, okay.
So it's the dura mater, subdural space, arachnoid, subarachnoid space, pia mater.
Okay.
So dura mater, subdural space, arachnoid, subarachnoid space, pia mater. Got it? Okay.
So DSASP?
Yeah, DSASP.
Okay.
Okay. And the cerebellum,
That little.
remember? This is the cerebellum.
Yeah. There's the vermis. I know that, and then the arbor vitae.
Oh, yeah. So we have the cerebellum, the right cerebellum, the left cerebellum, right? And then the vermis is what goes in the middle. It's this right here. And then the tree of life, which is the arbor vitae.
Arbor vitae.
This white, the tree.
Is that what it means?
Yeah, arbor vitae.
Oh.
I mean, tree of life is just like an mnemonic.
Oh, okay. There,
Yeah,
okay.
it's just to remember, you know?
Yeah.
Tree of life. Okay. And the cerebrum.
See, I know the frontal.
MIA. The cerebral hemisphere, which is, we already know, like the lobes, right? The frontal lobe.
Frontal, occipital, parietal. Wait, we don't.
Parietal.
Yeah. Hasta acá arriba.
Parietal.
No? It cuts it in half.
Parietal is like aquí en medio, ¿no? And then the temporal right here.
Temporal. I remember parietal. ¿Era no era así?
Yeah. So it's like aquí en medio. So aquí en medio.
Okay.
You're welcome. Whatever. You're welcome.
See, I don't know. Insula, you see it right here, right?
Yeah. So we got the temporal, the occipital. The insula is
Was it that?
right here. It's this pink. These little hills right here. Those are the insulas. Okay. The longitudinal fissure.
We didn't go over that.
I don't know.
Let's ask someone later.
Okay. The precentral gyrus. We already know which is the precentral gyrus.
No.
The one that goes right into the middle.
That's the precentral gyrus?
Yeah. I'm sorry, the central gyrus. Let's go over the central gyrus so you can know where the post central gyrus is. Yeah, we didn't ask them that.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the front. So this is the front and this is the back, right?
Yeah, so occipital,
Occipital,
frontal.
So usually the central gyrus is like right in the middle.
So it's not the line?
No, central gyrus is this way. The central sulcus. So the precentral sulcus is like right over here, and then the postcentral gyrus is over here. And the corpus callosum
Callosum?
is this right here. It's what connects.
The brains together?
Yeah, the right and the left hemisphere of the brain. And the diastole.
See the pineal gland?
The pineal gland.
That, right? The little
I
pink?
think it's this pink.
That's what I put.
Pineal gland. The hypothalamus is this area right here. This is the hypothalamus. This is the thalamus, and this is the hypothalamus. This section right here. And then the pituitary gland is right here.
If you put them together.
If you put them together, they're like this.
Okay.
Right here on the bottom, that's the pituitary gland. The little ones, okay? And the thalamus, the egg shape.
The pons?
The pons.
And
This
then
is the mycephalon.
medulla oblongata?
Mecephalon.
The
section
corpora
right-
quadrigemini?
On the back. The corpora quadrigemini, the superior colliculi and the inferior colliculi, the pons, and the medulla oblongata is right here below, right?
And the basal nucleus?
And the basal nuclei is on here. Remember the slide? So we have the ventricles, and then we have the basal nuclei, which are the brown spots next to the lateral ventricles. Okay?
Lateral ventricle is the clear?
The clear holes,
So where's the basal?
The basal nuclei are these brown spots right here, next to the lateral ventricle.
Oh, okay.
Okay? And if we go to the spinal cord, so on the spinal cord, this is the gray matter. What's right here inside. The white matter is what surrounds it. Okay? The anterior horn of gray matter is the anterior. It's the
You want to look at this one? It's the same thing, right? Okay.
And then the posterior horn of gray matter are these. These are the posteriors, and you can always remember because the posteriors always connect to the dorsal root. And this is the central canal, the little hole in the middle, and the spinal nerve. Remember? So the spinal nerves are the tips.
Spinal nerve
Are the
tip.
tips. The dorsal root ganglion is where these two, when the roots connect, and this lump right here is called the dorsal root. And on this model,
Dorsal, just
the dorsal root ganglion.
solo dorsal root?
Dorsal root ganglion. This is the dorsal root. And the ventral roots, I'm not sure. I think we're gonna have to. I think these are the ventral roots.
Because ventral is posterior también.
No, ventral
No?
is anterior.
Oh, yeah, you're
So I
right.
think those are the ventral roots, and these are the dorsal roots, and then when they connect, they become the dorsal root ganglion. And then the tip is this spinal nerve, which is at the tip. On the sympathetic chain ganglia, I'm going to bring it because I'm going to show you.
Yeah.